Hello, this is another Lego unboxing. I placed an order, I think I placed an order, was it this past weekend, from LegoShopAtHome.com, and I just got my package today. So let's go ahead and see what's in this big box here. Try to flip it around here. Awesome. Paperwork. Oh, cool. Get it out. Get all the stuff out, and then we'll look at it all. Okay. So let's take a look. We got a set there. Oh, nice. This set is... That box has definitely seen better days. Okay, and this is really cool. I was not expecting that. Let's see if we can take a closer look at this. I was not expecting this. Lego recently came out with their new Hidden Side theme of Lego sets that uses a downloadable app to your cell phone or mobile device, and this apparently was a giveaway. Okay. On the back it's got some description as to what is the Hidden Side, how to download it, and apparently, yeah, as you can see, I'm not sure if the camera picks this up very well, but it does change, it transforms. It's one of those I forget the name of them, but it does transform. I got it, obviously, because I had ordered this set. This set is a Hidden Side set. It is a cemetery. So let's slide some of this stuff off here. Okay, so yeah, like I said, this was a new theme that Lego was coming out with. Just sets that have a couple of main characters in them, and I guess what they do, going to high school, and you've got so it's these main characters here, these two main characters, and basically, like I said, it's a downloadable interactive app that you can put on your cell phone or mobile device that actually allows you to play like a video game. Kind of like a hunt out some ghosts and destroy them, and then you level up. But as far as the actual Lego set itself is concerned, looks like it's just a straightforward building with some stickers, some action features here that actually looks like it actually spins. So here's the side of the box, all who you get. For minifigures, Spencer's a cute little dog. Dual molded piece, I believe. He's like clear and white. You get a Parker, a Jack, Mr. Branson, Skeleton, and then this guy here. So what happens is throughout the series of these, the main characters run into other people in their settings who transform into ghosts. And as you can see here, this is the actual size of the minifigure. So you have a transforming feature where you can replace the head and the hair piece. And yeah, that's about it right there. 335 pieces. Again, I bought it at lego.com. I'm trying to remember how much this was. I think this was $25. So the deal was, if you ordered $35 from the Lego store, you got free shipping and you got a free Friends minifigure polybag set. Okay, so what else I ordered to get that? So this was about 25. I went and ordered this set here, which is nice and crushed. Well, I guess it'll be okay. So let's take another closer look at that. Here we go. Set number 60224. It is a satellite service mission. So we've gotten him before. This minifigure and this assembly here were in a polybag release. But this particular set here, yeah, nice job, Lego. This particular set here also comes with this mini spaceship build. And there's the back of the box. There we go. Yeah, so you can put your dude in there, and this is the satellite that he's going to service. So yeah, it's a pretty neat little set. Yeah, so all in all, let's get this to zoom back out. There we go. So that, along with this free card here, there. That was this Lego haul. So yeah, $35. You get everything you see in front of you, plus free shipping and handling. And like I said, I believe I ordered it last weekend. They had the special promotion. I think I actually had to wait until Sunday to order it, and in order to get this free polybag set. And I think the only reason why I got this, or the interest in this, was this turtle piece. Yeah. So let's go ahead. We'll go ahead and take him out and see what he looks like. I was going to do a separate video to show you the builds of all these, but we'll go ahead and just at least take him out. Oh, all kinds of pieces. What do we got? There we go. Typical polybag instruction sheet. You are building a Seacraft, a water Seacrafter, and some sort of small terrain build. Okay. Here are the pieces. I could care less about the mini dolls myself. I don't really care about those. They're kind of forgettable as far as I'm concerned, but there we go. This is what you're getting. Am I doing that right? No, actually, she has this life preserver. Oops. Hairless. Well, she gets a dual molded hairpiece and helmet. I've never seen that before. So let's see. Get that to go on there. Yeah. Terrific. That is it. Like I said, I could really care less about these mini dolls. The headpiece doesn't even really want to. This helmet piece does not really want to. Let's see. You know what? That's because that goes in the front. There we go. Aha! That is the minifigure. Or mini doll. That's why I don't like them. They're like dolls. They're called dolls. Minifigures I can get into. Mini dolls, I can't. So this sea turtle was was the whole reason for getting this set. Well, you get the free shipping, you know, if you spent the $35. This set here would be an extra, you know, toss in the bag for you. He's pretty cool. So back up here. So yeah, this ought to be a fairly quick build. There's really not much here in the terms of pieces. I guess while I'm going at it, why don't we just go ahead and put this together right here on camera? Why not? I've never done this before. This whole YouTube thing for me is still pretty new, but it's fun. I'm doing stuff I've never done before, and I encourage anybody to do that. You know, find something that you've never done before and go for it. See what happens. You know, I'm finding out that that this is really fun. I don't have many viewers just yet. I don't have many videos posted just yet either, but that doesn't really concern me. I'm actually just having fun. And actually the fact that there isn't many viewers right now actually makes me feel a little bit better about it, because if I knew that there was like dozens of people watching this, I'd be embarrassed right now. I'd probably be like, oh my god, I'm totally messing up something. Someone's gonna call me out on it. I'm gonna say something funny, and I'll be embarrassed. But it's actually not that bad. The more videos you do, the better off you'll feel. You know, the first couple of videos, it's kind of like, yeah, what's going on? But I'm finding that as I'm going along in this little journey here, that it does get easier. So you go back and look at the videos that you've made, and you can kind of laugh at yourself. And that's actually where I want to be. I want to be, you know, 5 years down the road, still making these videos, and you know, just saying, oh my god, look at those videos I did from 5 years ago. Look how silly I was, or, you know, I completely messed this up, or, you know. So according to this, she's supposed to, if we're down here, oops, there we are. She just kind of sits in there and holds on to the handlebars. Alright. This definitely should be given away to like a girl or somebody who is into Lego mini dolls. Is that right? Let's see. Oh, here we go. Maybe we gotta do it like this. Ah, there we go. Terrific. We'll flip it over. On the back side, you've got a little terrain build. So I'm guessing this is going to represent some water. This is going to represent some sand. And then what do we got? Looks like we've got a little leaf piece. We have got a seashell. Okay, and then it looks like we've got this trans light pink, like a jewel, and then a purple flower. Last but not least would be, like I said, the reason for buying this whole thing in the first place was this turtle build. Let's take a look. And there we have it. We have a piece of terrain. We have this mini doll on a jet ski. And we actually have some spare pieces. And there's our spare pieces. The other two Lego sets I got with this order, I'm going to go ahead and do different videos for those, but I thought I would just put this together right quick for you, and I thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.